This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
The world of today is a very delicate place where good and evil are constantly present, creating choices and differentiating between individuals. The notion that there are no wrong or evil people is true because, in reality, no one desires or plans to be evil. There are only those who are lost in the search for good. Everyone on the planet is faced with a personal choice of how to attend to the matters at hand. The circumstances and the environment dictate the choice of an individual. Everybody is born inherently a good person, but the imperfect and uneven surroundings create a difference between those with the ability to take on hardships and stay true to themselves and those without a chance to support their good intentions. The real issue at hand is that no one can control the time and place they grow up in. When a person is born, they are influenced by their family, friends, and society. An individual goes through stages of development in education, work, and life that shape their attitude and behavior. Suppose a person is born into a caring and loving family that has the knowledge to educate the child, support him or her in their beginnings, and provide a perspective that is based on kindness and respect. In that case, the individual will most likely become a kind and respectful person. The raising of a child is a very delicate matter, and for a long time, it has been speculated what exactly makes a person the way they are. Psychologists have continuously argued about whether it is nature or nurture that makes up a human being, and the common belief has emerged that both take part in the formation of an individual. The fact that the world has not become fully evil proves the point that there are more good people than bad. This is a natural balance that is not controlled by humans, but by the nature of the existence of any life. For a very long time, there has been a Good Samaritan act that shows how a caring and kind person cannot ignorantly pass by someone who needs help. Kindness is sometimes based on previous experiences where a particular person was helped, and they have remembered that time and feel the need to return the favor. Unfortunately, there are often conditions where a person has to grow up in a minimal and harsh environment. If, from birth, a person has to struggle and fight for their own survival, they are almost forced to commit bad deeds. Very often, an individual simply has no opportunity to let their good side and kindness emerge. Overall, this is a very sensitive matter that is hard to support by any empirical evidence, which makes the accurate creation mechanism of a person's character almost untraceable. Throughout history, there have been instances where people were faced with a crucial decision of what path to choose, either the path of evil, which sometimes delivers success faster and easier, or the path of goodness, which can be equally as fulfilling but very often requires a degree of patience, belief, and strength. An argument of whether to choose kindness or the opposite is non-existent because there are numerous examples in history that demonstrate how good deeds are rewarded and returned tenfold. Human civilization is considered to be a young and developing species that has much to learn, but the idea that a positive and loving attitude brings more goodness and evil creates only evil is true and is widely supported by the knowing population. This essay on human nature, good versus evil, was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.